Gwendolyn Fiel Garcia, the first woman to have been elected as Governor of Cebu, making a trail of historic wins, being the first to have breached the 1 million mark in the history of the electoral process in the province of Cebu, with a resounding majority of 1.1 million votes over her opponent. It is our great honor and privilege to move that Gwendolyn Pilar Fiel Garcia be proclaimed as winner for another historic fifth term as provincial governor of the one great province of Cebu. Respectfully submitted, Your Honor.
1,478,436 votes, the same being the highest number of votes legally cast for the said